Welcome back, Printverts. Today we're going to check out some CC3D PETG in Sapphire Blue. Let's see what it's like. Alright, pretty standard box. Got this on Amazon for $14.99. On the front it says CC3D. I'm not even going to butcher the first part of this. New Materials Technology Co. Limited, made in China. Looks like it says recycle. Keep dry, don't set on fire. Logo on the side. Website is www.cc3dchina.com. This side we got nothing. This side, same thing. Logo and the web address. 3D printer filament, 5mm. 1 kilogram, 3.2 pounds spool new. Okay. I've never seen that. We'll see what it looks like. Produced with Indigo, Natural Works LLC, certified SGS, ROHS, ISO 9001, CNAS, IAF. And on the back, we pretty much have the logo and what was on the front. Let's check out the website real quick. This is the Galaxy Blue. You can see they have a range of colors. We've had this one other color. I don't remember if it was a PETG or a PLA. I believe it was PETG. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. Alright. Bubble wrap. Don't get that very often. We have a little certificate of conformity. This product has been inspected and certified by the manufacturer. Quality for warranty. Can't read it. 3 years. Nothing on the back. Nothing else in the box. Alright, what do we have on the spool? We have a plastic spool with that cool Q*bert design. I don't know if any of you are old enough to remember Q*bert, the cartoon or the game. So it says NO:0007 GW:1.174 kilograms. Interesting. TM:21:40. Not sure what all that means. Alright, down here, PETG 1.75mm 3D filament. That's what I ordered. I'm not sure why the box says 5mm. Yep, it says 5mm. Sapphire Blue 112269. Print temp of 225. And then it just says PETG. Actually, it says print temp 225C plus or minus 10 degrees Celsius. PETG 17522032502B. Next line C002109. Not sure what that means. It says QC pass and there's a QR code. I guess one day I should scan these, see where it takes us. Nothing on the back. We have 2 holes here, 2 holes here, 2 holes here, 2 holes here. So limited, but not the worst. Plastic spool doesn't look deformed. It is not the tightest vacuum packing I've seen. Let's see, does it have an easy tear? Yes, it does. And it is resealable. Oh, until the easy tear rips right through the resealable part. Highly complicated process. Yep, that's not resealable anymore. Well, that's disappointing. Okay. That sticker was on the bag, which is now useless. Got our silica packet. Here is the winding. Not the absolute cleanest, but I really don't see it lapped over anywhere. There's no gauge on this spool. Plenty more places for labels, right? Let's do the brake test. Well, and the smell test. No smell. Pretty much no smell at all. Oh, look at that. Well, first, I'll actually do this. We don't need this bag anymore. That inspection label. Okay. Right here, what was bent through the spool. That's feeling good. Oh, I can feel it getting tougher as I go back. Okay, so we have a little bit of a moisture issue right on the end, but that's not bad. Yeah. This is nice and solid. Let's get the calipers. Measure some of this filament out. Need a better stand. This should make this a little easier and help me keep it in frame. Zero out our completely inaccurate calipers. 1.6. Whoa. 1.5. 1.5. Let's re-zero out just to make sure. There we go. No, 1.6. 1.7. 1.6. 1.6. 1.6. 1.6. 1.6. 1.6. So pretty accurate. I don't feel any deformity or anything like that. Feels nice, smooth, and even. No kind of burrs or anything. All right, good sign. It is a very interesting blue. Looked a little different online. That is a very different blue. It's actually a little darker than it appears on camera. A little darker and a little more matte. It's definitely not as shiny in real life as it appears on camera. Which, usually that's kind of the other way around. So, let's get this on the printer. We'll be right back with our calibration cube, our Stacko Kitty, and Benchy. And we'll see how that turns out. Be right back. All right, we're back with the results. Let's check them out. All right. So, very happy with this filament. You can see the large view. Everything pretty much came out nearly absolutely perfect. Calibration cube looks great. No zits. One little piece of string right there. That's it. No adhesion issues. No clogging. Nothing. Let's stick that under the microscope. We'll take a look at it. And we got the Z-axis. Looks great. Here's our Y. Filament looks great. Printer still needs a little bit more tuning. As you can see, came out pretty much flawless. Very happy with the results. Right. Next up, we have our calibration kitty. Also, came out nearly perfect. We have one little spot of a cooling issue right there, which we know is with the printer. Looks back here in this one little corner, a bit of an issue. Feet came out nice. Face looks good. Let's look under the scope. Meow. Once again, no zits. No real stringing issues. Overhangs look good except for on the very bottom, which you know is a tough spot. Of course, that is a cooling issue. Here is the tail. There is that little bit right there of cooling issue. And these were all printed at 100 millimeters a second. I believe at 235. Fans only go up to 40% and then kick on at about 10% of height, which seems to be right about in there. So that might be related to the issue, although it's up by here, as you can see, we should be up to 100. Here we can see these back corners of the head right there and right there. Very small cooling issues, but no stringing at the top. Besides that, everything looks pretty much amazing. Roar. Scary kitty. All right. And then last is our Vinci. Came out very nice. Does have a little more stringing than the last two models. Not unacceptable. Not the best. Not the worst. Not even near the worst I've had. Everything looks good. Portholes look good. Bridging in the window looks good. Archways all look good. Smokestack looks good. You can read the writing on the back just barely. Same thing with the bottom. Let's go with the scope. There we go. So here is the top. And the deck of the Vinci. There's one little string. As you can see, here's a little bit of stringing. Little bit. Box looks good. Sides look good. Bow looks pretty good. There's that one ugly piece we just broke off. Let's check out the back. Looks very good. There's our side. There's our seam point right in there. Right there. So not too bad. I had 0 failures. Oh, there we can see another little bit of stringing. Couldn't even see that. Our seam marks. See if we can clear this up a little. There we go. And it is definitely not this purple. This camera, this microscope really likes to shift the colors. So there we have it. We have the CC3D Galaxy Blue PETG on Amazon. It was a decent deal. I had worked I believe once with CC3D Filament previously. I don't remember if it was PETG or PLA, but for the price and the results, I am quite happy. I didn't have to redo anything. I didn't have to do any custom profiles for this particular filament, even though it's always a good idea to make a profile with every filament. Besides that, I would consider this a win. I would definitely buy it again in another color, we probably will, just to see how the results stack up. Alright, so check it out on Amazon. Also, I have some other reviews of other filaments you can find on Amazon. This helped you out. You had good results, bad results, mixed results, any type of results with this filament, leave a comment, let me know. And we'll catch you next time, Printverts.